Welcome to this Monitoro tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to automate Google Sheets with Monitoro and insert a new row in a spreadsheet when a website changes. The first step is to create a new app account in Monitoro. Choose Google Sheets and then click on Sign in with Google. Once the Google authorization page loads, accept the connection. Then give it a name in Monitoro. Google Sheets is now connected successfully. Now let's create a new monitor. We'll monitor the price for sports shoes. You can pick an icon for it. Afterwards, choose On My Machine. Let's copy the link for the shoes we want to monitor. Paste it in Monitoro and press the Add Valid Link button. Awesome! Time to select data to monitor by clicking on the blue Monitor New Data button. First, select the product name and name your selection. Then select the price and the variant, naming your selection as well. And we're done selecting data. Click on the green button below to move to the next step. Let's create an event and trigger it when the price changes. Now add an integration and choose Insert a New Row. Then select your Google account. Pick a spreadsheet, in this case Price History, and then select which sheet Monitoro will send data to. Now we need to map data from your monitor to your spreadsheet. Let's do that by adding column names in the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, select which data to write in that spreadsheet column using the blue plus button. Do that for the name, the price, and the variant. Save the integration, then give a name to your event to save it. Open your spreadsheet, and you will find a new row added already. At this point, you can add other shoes from the same website. They will also be monitored and your event triggered if the conditions are matched, adding new rows in turn. That's all for this tutorial to integrate Google Sheets with Monitoro. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to follow us and to subscribe for more videos, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or by contacting Monitoro's support.